Hi, this is a video on how custom time period works. Custom time period option enables you to view the data based on the time period and the frequency you set. For example, if you wish to see the data for the metric revenue for last 5 days, you need to set the frequency as daily and then set a time period accordingly. Here you will be able to see the value of revenue during each day for last 5 days. But if you choose monthly frequency and provide the time period as start and end date of the month, you will get a view of metric data aggregated for the whole month. Or if you set the time period as 3 months, you will be seeing the metric data for first, second and third month. Likewise, if you need to view the data week by week, you need to specify the frequency as weekly and provide a start and end date. Now you can view the data aggregated for the week. So this is how custom time period works. Thank you for watching.